Welcome to Brainiacs, where learning goes beyond boundaries and every child discovers their unique path to success. Every learner is unique, and so are their needs. Brainiacs offers 3 personalized learning formats. Choose your global trajectory, the esteemed British pathway, Cambridge, or the rigorous Indian pathway, NCE-RT MAP. Gain mastery and confidence. Our tutoring hub provides personalized one-on-one sessions across CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB. Future-proof their potential. Our core skill courses include essential financial literacy and cutting-edge coding. Unleash their holistic intelligence with robotics and essential communication skills through speech and drama and music. As a global school, in 20+ countries, we offer an inclusive environment, ensuring specialized support for SEN learners. Who says practical knowledge is missing? Our hands-on science kids bring labs right to your home. Build real connections. Our monthly hybrid events allow students to meet, bond, and build friendships across the world. Every voice matters. Our students share their creativity and achievements through the Mindscape Memoir newsletter and fortnightly podcast series. We live the promise of a well-rounded life. Our dynamic academic calendar guarantees learning extends beyond the textbook. And our vibrant virtual celebrations prove that physical distance can't stop us from coming together as one family. Finally, we honor excellence through the Talent Scholarship Initiative, spotlighting achievements across academics, arts, and extracurriculars. Your child's future deserves the whole rainbow, not just one shade. Every color represents a unique strength we bring to your child's educational journey.
Birla Brainiacs, surpassing global standards.